Right, so this is your B final four-wheel drive. 10th on the grid we have Andy Thompson, 9th we have Rob York, 8 James Ingston, 7 Simon Miller, 6 we have the Harmonator of Nick Harmon, and then we have the man from Button Moon, Mr. Steve Moon, 4 Stephen Moore, 3 Richard Thorpe, and then we have our very own monk Paul Tapsell in second, and then the pole position man is the one from Mothercare himself, Dimitri. All right, let's play nicely, gentlemen. Listen up. Marshals, be alert. Adam, come on. Come on. Adam's trying to sell gold to Chris. Right, away they go. So Dimitri gets the flying start off of his pole position. Bit of a mess at the top, but he's reasonably well marshalled up there on that tabletop. Good marshalling. So Dimitri, your pole position man, coming over the kicker. We've got some drivers coming down now too. Looks like 3 as well, but Dimitri keeping it quite clean at the moment. Further down the grid, let's tidy up. So leaders now coming over the loop. Dimitri in the lead from pole position. Followed by the monk Tapsell, then Thorpe. So 1, 2, 3 off the grid. So every single one of these guys could have been in the A final.
Fastest lap, car 1.
So Dimitri get pressure
6.
from Tapsell, the monk himself.
1 minute into the race. First place, car 1. Second place, car 2. Third place, car 3. Fourth place, car 7. And in 5th place, car 4.
So Dimitri pulling away. Massive battle, so Thorpe gets through after a mistake from the monk himself, Tapsell. So 1 minute 40 gone in this race. Right, car 10, you've got the race leader coming up on you as you go down the straight. That is your race leader as he makes a mistake.
Two minutes into the race. First place, car 1. Car 10 about to be lapped. Second
Thank you,
place, car 3. Third place, car 2.
It could be second place, man, over and out.
Fifth
There's
place,
a marshal on the wall of death on the outside. On the outside. Excellent marshalling by the full guy of Chris Lana. But he's still Dimitri, Tapsell, the monk. Moore come up into a 3rd place. And then Thorpe, James Ingston now up into 5th. Keep it clean, here's the final. So Tapsell, the monk, knocking on Dimitri's door. Dimitri wants none of it. And then we've got Mr. Moore as well, so your top 3 coming up to the tabletop. Oh, the monk making a massive mistake. Gives Dimitri,
3
breathing
minutes
space.
into the race. First place, car 1.
that lets
Second place,
Richard
car
Fulp
2.
come through
Third
into
place,
third.
car 4. Fourth place, car 3. And in 5th place, car 6.
So it's Fulp, Moore. Sorry, Dimitri, Moore, Fulp. Oh, Dimitri's binned it. Keep it clean. So Stephen Moore wasn't going to come today. He was going to stay in bed after a drunken
Change
session.
of leader to car 4.
But he has taken the lead in this B final. Be a rough and tumble between Dimitri and Fulp. Dimitri takes second back. Fulp backs off down the straight. But your race leader coming through the back markers as we come round. Behind you. Thank you, Derek. Be careful as you come on. Good driving. So Dimitri, 1 minute 15 to catch up with Steve Moore. Then Fulp in third. Tapsell in fourth by the looks of things.
Car 10 about to be lapped. 4 minutes into the race.
It's looking though
First
Steve
place,
Moore's got
car
this in
4,
the bag with a
second
minute to
place,
go.
Car 1, third place, car 3, fourth place, car 2, and in 5th place, car 7. Car 10 about to be lapped.
Ooh. Steve Moore just clipping the wing on the crossover.
Car
of
6
Fulp.
about to be lapped.
Car 6, you got second and third coming up and you're down this straight. Just so you know. Thank you. 30 seconds. Can Steve hold his cool? Coming round on the step corner, over the loop, onto the wall of death and then over on the
Fastest lap,
carpet.
car 1,
Oh,
fastest lap,
makes a
car
big
3.
mistake. Marshall doesn't get to him. So Dimitri taking the
8
lead
about
with
to be
15
lapped.
seconds to go, but Fulp is on his tail, up on that tabletop. Fulp up on the inside, takes the lead as they come round, under the crossover, then over. Will they make the next lap? They will, so this will be the last lap for these two.
Change of leader to
So
car
it is
3.
Fulp leading. Dimitri tries to go on the inside, down the wall of death, and down the straight they go. Still Fulp in the lead as they come to the tabletop. Dimitri bins it into a Marshall.
Six
So
finished,
Fulp
5
will
finished,
take
7
the win
finished, 8
of this
finished.
B final four drive. Let's win to
3's
Fulp.
finished.
Second
1's
to
finished.
Dimitri.
4's finished. 10's finished.
Thank you, drivers. Well driven. Thank you very much.
Race over drivers, if we could have all the cars switched off please, and those with handout transponders, return them please, and then all the drivers out to Marshall, thank you. The result for this final is first place
Richard Fulp.
second place,
Dimitri.
third place,
The Monk.
fourth place,
Steve